Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Here we are discussing about Re-NEET examination that happens to be June 21st, 2026. Are you ready for Re-NEET? So, for that Re-NEET preparation, you don't have to study right from the beginning. Rather, you please study on strategy based quick revision tips. एंड आज हम चर्चा करने वाला ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का PYQs. Bhaskara, hi, how are you? Those who are online, please like the session and share with your friends. Subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. Okay, a farmer helper. Array, farmer helper, you can be a doctor. So, definitely, my dear doctors, so we are going to get PYQs from organic chemistry. Ready? Fadafat, rapid round. Mostly the PYQs, especially for the organic chemistry, it gives a lot of hype because the pattern of the questions that follows as it is. So you all follow that and you do the best. All the best for your NEET 2026. Sorry, Re-NEET 2026. In this situation, we are not here to discuss about why the NEET exam cancelled and how it is done, who is responsible for all these things. Rather, we just have only one option, Re-NEET likhna hai. Okay, so dear students, stay motivated and mentally keep calm. That is a game changer for your NEET. Again you take the dump of books and you jump into that. Again it is a big problem actually, which doesn't give actual meaning for that. Okay, so stay calm and stay healthy and prepare with a lot of josh. Here from the Sri Chaitanya Academy YouTube channel, we are giving you the best for your Re-NEET preparation. So while it without any delay, I don't want to just do anything here. No promotions in this channel. Only genuine subject is being delivered. Those students who are online, please like the session and press the bell button. ताकि आपको even NEET is completed, our driving force will be with you till you reach your dream medical college. This is the question number 1. The compound which shows metamerism. So what is the condition to show the metamerism? And you can say to show the metamerism, you need to have at least a bifunctional group. So there is no bifunctional group, so we can't do this. And if you want to say C3H8, okay, and this could be an alcohol and this could be an alcohol, you can see this is going to be CH3, CH2 and O, CH2 and CH3. Okay, and this is going to be C4H10. It can have the metamers CH3, CH2, CH2O and CH3. As simple as you can get it. So with this, I want to say option A is the correct answer for this question. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Dear children, in this live session, take the chart box and solve along with us and give the answer, and session ka josh bhi badh jata and we can do the best. Yes, exactly, your answer is given here. Bacho, let us talk exactly what is this another question. So all PYQs in a stretch, 30-40 questions we can discuss it. Come on. So which among the molecule can exhibit tautomerism? You want to just get the tautomerism of this compound. I want to write the tautomeric structure. Okay, like this. Okay, and I wanted to make it like this, OH over here, so a double bond. So bridge headed carbon can never be double bonded. Bread's rule. Bread's rule. Yes. And even this is going to give you pH, and it is going to be pH, and it is going to be OH and double bond. Again, this is not able to do that. And it tautomerizes. I can get it like this. OH enolic state can be seen over here. So this can tautomerize I can say only 3. Option A is the correct answer. Agree? So tautomerism concept, you need to be so confident in this keto-enol tautomerism. In this session, 2-3 questions I just put it here. You can discuss any kind of doubt in the chat box. Dear students, next question, who is going to give the answer? You or me? The deal between you and me. And which of the following can exhibit again tautomerism? So when it comes to the isomerism, you can handle it, but when it comes to the tautomerism, you are going to just morally demotivated. So these tautomerism questions are important, and this can also affect the carbonyl compounds. Let us say here, which of the following given compounds can exhibit? At least one alpha hydrogen is essential. At least one alpha hydrogen is essential to show the tautomerism. Okay, here alpha hydrogen is not there. You can see alpha hydrogen is not there. Okay, but it can show 1 and 2 and 3. It can show 1 for tautomerism, and it gives you isn't it? It can give you tautomerism here. In the same way, it can go here and it can go here and it can go here, right? So alpha hydrogens, though it has option structure 3, can also show tautomerism. This was the previous NEET examination question. I think it is asked in 2017. Moving ahead, one more. Enolic form of, topic wise we'll do it. Enolic form of ethyl acetoacetate below is given. This is a keto form and this is a enol form. In this keto form and enol form, I will tell you the number of pi bonds should be same, right? Number of sigma bonds is going to be same. You can get it, option C, 18 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. You can count it. Fine, any doubt? So keto form का enol form का अलग अलग pi bonds नहीं होगा. Pattern could be same, but the number of pi bonds will be same. Understand? Clear? Any doubt? Moving ahead. Here, this is a statement based question. Statement 1 and the statement 2. Here it is given as in an organic compound, when inductive effect and electromagnetic effect operate in opposite direction, the inductive effect predominates. It's true, because inductive effect is going to be a stronger effect. And hyperconjugation is observed in orthoxylene. So this is CH3. Both statements are going to be correct. Fine. Both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. Right? I am expecting answers in the chat box from you. So, how to tackle these statement based questions? You may be studied organic chemistry with a lot of enthusiasm, putting all these kind of mechanisms, but these are so decent and tricky questions, and it is a 2017 question. बच्चों और एक चीज है. Now you can see here the match the following question. List 1 and list 2 is given. Options print करने के लिए आपका जगह नहीं है. So I just given directly. Separation of aniline in water, you require steam distillation. And separation of aniline in the chloroform, you require just distillation. And separation of glycerol from spent like NCRT a line diya, it is given distillation under reduced pressure. And separation of different fractions, you use fractional distillation. So these are the various options. Definitely this type of match the following and separation techniques is going to be a very important model that you are going to expect in upcoming NEET 2021 June 21st question. I am pretty well sure everybody follow this and you can get the best out of it. Okay, those students who are online, please interact us so that the pressure you are experiencing during the preparation of this Re-NEET, the major stack of your pressure is your peer pressure, examination pressure. The only one thing to come out of the pressure, you talk, you interact with your siblings, with your parents, with your teachers. Even in today's YouTube session, you can interact with me by using this chat box. You all give the answer, let it be wrong, I am going to correct it. And if you want to open a mock test, if you want to just do some kind of this and that questions, you take some time, but I'm making you to review all the PYQs kind of questions. Do you agree? And one more question here. Assertion reasoning type question. And chlorine is an electron withdrawing group, but it is ortho and para directing in electrophilic aromatic substitution. Yes, it is having a weak resonance effect, weak mesomeric, positive mesomeric effect. So that it is a correct statement. And inductive effect, chlorine destabilizes the intermediate carbocation formed during the electrophilic substitution. However, due to more pronounced resonance effect, the halogen stabilizes the carbocation in ortho and para positions. Yes, it is correct. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So that I would like to say option 1, both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option 1 is the correct answer. Everybody? And let us do one more question. So this is another question, the most stable carbocation among the following. Who is going to give the answer? I am expecting the answer from you, children. Please do this. The most stable carbocation. So it is a primary carbocation. This is a secondary carbocation. This is a secondary carbocation, and this is going to be a primary secondary carbocation. In this secondary carbocation, carbocation stability is directly proportional to positive mesomeric effect, is directly proportional to hyperconjugation effect, is directly proportional to positive inductive effect. So here hyperconjugation is directly proportional to number of alpha hydrogen atoms. So number of alpha hydrogens here going to be 2 and it is going to be 5. So total 5 number of alpha hydrogens. So I want to say option D, surprisingly it is more stable. Can you believe it? Mubarak Ansari, it is, so this is a PYQ. This is a PYQ. You think that it is more stable, but surprisingly it is D. You want to say B, CH3. Here it is going to be C, CH3 and CH3, and it is going to be CH and CH3. So just 3 alpha hydrogens. Now we understand how to tackle this hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation is more effective as compared to inductive effect. Yes or no? Hyperconjugation is more effective as compared to inductive effect. And Ansari and all the students, those who are online, please like the session and press the bell button so that next coming sessions, when and what you're going to get the updates. And moving ahead, one more question. Which of the following is correct with respect to negative inductive effect of the substituent is R is an alkyl group. So negative inductive effect. So it is going to be more proportional to the electronegativity, fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. Option 1 is the correct answer for this question. Fine. So you can just do general organic chemistry. So do we have to memorize this order? No sir, directly inductive effect, negative inductive effect is directly proportional to electronegativity. Fundamental phenomenal concept. Fine. Okay. So very important questions, and follow the pattern that I am discussing here, and keep yourself calm during re-NEET preparation. Definitely this is re-NEET is going to be a super awesome experience to rise and rejuvenate, because maybe due to some reasons you might get the less marks in May 3rd. That is cancelled, let it go, and June 21st, why don't you get the score to the highest? Fine, let us see here. So correct statement regarding electrophile. Electrophile is electron deficient compound. It is going to attack at electron rich area. So I just want to say here, electrophile is negatively charged. Wrong. Electrophile is always neutral, no need, because if you take NaCl plus is an electrophile, isn't it? Then how do you say it is a neutral? And electrophile can be either neutral or positively charged. Okay, and species can form a bond by accepting a pair of electron with a nucleophile. Of course, it is a correct statement. And electrophile is negatively charged species that can form a bond. It is not a negatively charged species. So option C is the correct. So what is the moral of the story? You just take the statement A, B, C, D and read and analyze it. The fact is going to be very simple. It is the previous 2019 PYQ. Fine. Dear children, if you have any doubts, please let us know. Please let us know. And moving ahead, one more. Treatment of cyclopentanone. This is your cyclopentanone. And methyl lithium. So in the textbook the reaction is given. Akshaya, hi, thank you very much and bless you. And let us talk about what is the nature of a alkyl lithium. Lithium is a S block element, positive charge, so that it is going to be a negative charge, right beta? And oxygen is partially negative charged and carbon is a partially positive charged. Therefore it is going to give you like this, and it is going to give attack over here, attack over here. So this is going to attack nucleophile. So the product that is going to be here, O minus and lithium plus, and it is going to be CH3. So cyclopentanoyl biradical, cyclopentanoyl anion, and cyclopentanoyl cation and cyclopentanoyl radical. I just want to say cyclopentanoyl anion, cyclopentanoyl, this is anion. You understand? Clear? Any doubt? And of course, you can also say this is a base. It is rather a base than the nucleophile. This hydrogen is an acidic. So CH4, CH3 minus is going to attack here. CH4 is left. So that it is going to be double bond. It is a resonance stabilized. So you can get like this. Okay. Rather, anyways is correct, and it is going to be hyperconjugation occurs. Who is going to give this? Who is going to give this? Hyperconjugation occurs in wherever alpha hydrogen is there, there you are going to see hyperconjugation. And you can see the hyperconjugation in this A, and only in the 3 you can see. because one hydrogen is there. You understand? And I just want to say here one more, the most suitable method for separation of 1:1 mixture of ortho and para-nitrophenol. Ortho-nitrophenol, bachcho, this is your ortho-nitrophenol. And here intramolecular hydrogen bonding is there, steam volatile. So we can use a steam distillation. Option C is the correct answer for this question. You might be studied this in the chemical bonding even. Understand or not? Clear? Now moving ahead here, one more. In a lysine extract, an organic compound, both nitrogen and sulfur are present and gives a blood red color with Fe3+. And I want to say here it is sodium is going to react with carbon, nitrogen and sulfur, gives rise NaNCS. This is reacted with Fe3+. Fe is going to SCN. Okay, it is going to be 2+, blood red color. So I want to say option A is the correct answer for this question. Bacho, expecting answer from your side. Bhaskara and Ansari, all the students, please give the answer. Let it be wrong. Let it be wrong, because the NEET is expecting to identify your strategies and the application abilities. Definitely you are going to get a questions based on basic principles and techniques. Practical organic chemistry questions are very important. Find maximum number of questions. Find the maximum number of questions based on this. Dumas method, Zeldal method, Carrier's method, whatever. Okay. And here one more. The Zeldal method, estimation of nitrogen present in the soil. Sample, ammonia is evaluated as 0.75 grams of sample. It is neutralized by 10 ml of 1 molar H2SO4. So the percentage of nitrogen in the soil. So that is studied here. So take a minute to give the answer. Take a minute to give the answer. Everybody expecting answer from your side. Expecting answer from your side. So here it is going to be, option is going to be A. How do we solve it? According to the law of equivalence, 10 ml of 1 molar H2SO4 is equal to 20 ml of 1 molar NH3, isn't it? And therefore, weight of nitrogen in 1 mole of ammonia is 14 grams. So put this 14 grams and 20 into 10 power minus 3 mole of ammonia means 20 into 10 power minus 1 into 14 grams. So the sample of organic compound, it is given as 0.75. Directly put here 14 into 20 into 10 power minus 3 upon 0.75 into 100 is going to give you 37.33 is the answer. Okay, Akshaya, fine. And let us do one more question. Let us do one more question quickly. And in this, a decreasing order of boiling points of the following alkanes. It is given as a heptane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Butane 2-methylbutane and 2-methylpropane and hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you want to say the boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight, is directly proportional to number of carbons. Boiling point inversely proportional to branching. So based on that, I would like to say A, E, B, C, D. That is the correct answer for this question. So heptane, more number of carbons. And here the lesser number of carbons you have to say. Are you getting or not clear, Bacho? Hi Shailesh, how are you? So quickly we'll do one more question. And here it is. Yeah. Here it is given as CH3CH2, sodium salt of carboxylic acid. It is heated with something to get alkane with one number carbon atom. So you have to get it as a soda lime. For this soda lime, you have mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. My answer for this question is going to be option D is the correct answer for this question. बच्चों समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Fine. Now let us talk about here. Which of the following alkane cannot be made in a good yielding by Wood's reaction? Wood's reaction is only good for symmetrical alkane. So you cannot be used unsymmetrical alkane. Unsymmetrical alkane. So you are going to get odd number alkanes are unsymmetrical. So option B is correct. Sailesh, your answer is? That's good. So moving ahead, one more question. Which of the following is a free radical substitution reaction? Propene with the peroxide, this is called free radical addition reaction. Benzene with Br2AlCl3, it is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Acetylene with HBr, it is electrophilic addition reaction. Methane with Br2HNO, free radical substitution reaction. CH4Br2 in the presence of light, and it is going to get CH3Br and HBr. So my answer for this is going to be option 4 is the correct answer for this question. Are you getting or not? Clear? Bacho, let us increase the number of questions. So rapid fire is required for the preparation of Re-NEET examination. One more question. A respect to the conformers of ethane, which of the following statement is true? Okay, so bond angle changes but bond length remains same. Bond angle and bond length changes, bond angle and bond length remains the same. So in this conformers, just relative position of the atoms changes, no bond angle, bond length is going to be changed. So that option C is the correct answer for this question. Are you getting or not? Clear? Fine. Now moving ahead, let us talk about which amongst the following compound will show geometrical isomerism. I want to show you C double bond C, and it is going to be A and B and X and Y. Okay, A is not equal to B, X is not equal to Y. So here that is the condition based on that 3,4-dimethyl X3-ene. Okay, so this, what is the 3,4-dimethyl X3-ene? This is going to be hex, okay, 3-ene, and 3,4-dimethyl. So you are going to see cis and trans isomerism with this. Understand? Clear? And this is the trick, you just find whether it can show geometrical isomerism or not. Clear? Now moving ahead, the product formed for the following sequence of reactions. So let's see here, CH3, CH2, CH and CH2. So HBr and benzoyl peroxide. You are going to get anti-Markovnikov reaction, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2Br. And it is going to be alcoholic KOH and heat, alcoholic potassium hydroxide and heat, dehydrohallucination takes place. Therefore, it is going to get the same reactant that what you get it here. The answer for this question is going to be B. Any doubt? Hello Geeta Madri, how are you? I was missing you. Okay, I don't want to ask you how do you do in the May 3rd NEET examination. I know you did a lot of hard work, but again get ready for your Re-NEET June 21st. So this is the correct we have in this YouTube channel. By looking at the student name, I am going to just say we have that relation. We build a very good student teacher community in this Sri Chaitanya Academy NEET YouTube channel. Geeta Madri, how are you? Okay, so before going for this, a compound X on reaction with ozone followed by zinc and hydrolysis gives a formaldehyde and a 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl, here it is going to be 2-methyl propanol. So this is going to be CH3, CH2 propan, 2-methyl propanol, CHO. Okay, so it is going to be CH3. This is the 2-methyl propanaldehyde or propanol, and it is mixed with formaldehyde. This is your formaldehyde. And what could be the alkane? So you have to just remove this oxygen, make a double bond. So you're going to get it here, CH3, CH and CH3 and CH and double bond, that is going to be CH2. So the answer for this question is going to be 3-methyl-butene. Yes or not? Great lesson. This is a great lesson, molarity concept. Geeta is fine, sir. Geeta is fastly revising NCERT of textbook on all subjects. Okay. Okay, sir, is Re-NEET 2026 like Yamadharma Raj has given the second opportunity to face the NEET UG exam 2026 in the name of Re-NEET. Nice joke. Okay, hope you like this session today. You like this session, everybody. Thank you, molarity concept 8091. Okay, we will meet with more stuff in this Re-NEET sessions every day. And so many questions are there, but time constraint is there, and I just want to say let us follow this Re-NEET series of the sessions for re-raise. Take this Re-NEET as an opportunity and do the best. Let it be, it's a nightmare, whatever. Okay, and all the best. Here signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. Thank you very much. Thank you.